Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2023 MOTO GUZZI V7 Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 MOTO GUZZI V7 Special with 5,307 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with MOTO GUZZI slip-on mufflers, a MOTO GUZZI spark plug cover, a Pro Grip tank pad, an engine guard, and a luggage rack. Powered by an 853cc V-twin engine, the V7 puts 64 horsepower and 53 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the V7 has a 220 to 260-mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height and a 436-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.